Good morning, everyone. Today we officially begin planning our modern international airport. The estimated investment is $18.6 billion. Phase 1 fund and finalized. Excellent. Let's build an airport that will serve millions of people for decades. Today we begin the official site survey. Every measurement must be accurate before construction starts. Initial measurements are within acceptable tolerance. The aerial samples you has helped complete and is verified will move forward with site preparation. Land clearing has officially begun. Every section must be prepared according to the approved site plan. The excavation depth is within design tolerance. Ground leveling is progressing exactly as scheduled.
Foundation drilling is progressing according to the structural design.
Every strength and material quality meet all engineering specifications. All underground lineaments, pipe joints, cable conduits, and for exactly international engineering standards. Excellent work, everyone. Today we begin constructing the structural foundation of the passenger terminal. Precision is critical at every stage. Pre-testing, we are ready for quality has been placement. Excellent work. This foundation will support on the most advanced airport terminals in the region. Today we begin assembling the main structural steel framework of the passenger terminal. Every steel column and beam is being installed according to the approved structural model. Precision is essential. Excellent progress. The terminal structure is rising another exactly according to our construction schedule. Utility strength, reinforcement placement, and finishing quality all meet international engineering standards. Every glass panel is being installed with millimeter-level precision. Interior construction can begin while the building remains fully protected from the environment. The passenger terminal structure is complete. Today, we begin constructing the airport's air traffic control tower. A new milestone in building the future. Outstanding work. This runway will safely support thousands of aircraft operations every year. Let's continue maintaining the highest engineering standards. All runway lighting circuits and backup power systems are being tested according to international aviation standards. Runway markings, lighting systems, and electrical installations have successfully passed today's inspection. Today, we are installing the passenger boarding bridges and completing the aircraft parking apron.
Today, we are transforming the terminal into a fully operational international airport. Every system baggage handling network is fully installed. We are now performing system configuration and operational testing.
Today we are conducting the final operational testing before the airport receives official certification. Outstanding occasion, everyone. This international airport is now fully completed and ready to welcome its first aircraft. Every structural, mechanical, electrical, and operational component has successfully passed certificate service. On behalf of the Civil Aviation Authority, I am pleased to officially approve this international airport for commercial flight operations. Welcome, everyone, to the official grand opening of our new modern international airport. Today marks a historic achievement. Flight 1, you are cleared to land. Welcome to our newest international airport. Welcome, everyone, to the official grand opening of our new modern international airport. Our airport is now operating at full capacity. Every department is performing exactly as planned. Today, this remarkable project has become a reality. We are honored to receive this international recognition. Architect, technician, construction worker, and airport employee who contributed to this remarkable project. If you enjoyed following this engineering site, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us for our next mega construction project.